Alright everybody, so my name's Ian, and a lot of the time I build my own stuff, and some people have said, how come I don't put it on YouTube? And so I'm Ian the IanVentor, and this is some of my stuff. Alright everybody, so not you. Alright everybody, so what we're doing is, I'm going to replace the wood on the side here. This is kind of rotten now. It's falling apart. Every time I put a good sized load in it, the sides start to bend a bit. So I'm going to take it all apart. I'm going to put new wood on it. That's today's job. First thing I'm going to have to do is chisel all them. I'm going to have to pry all them screws the hell out of there. Let me get around you there, boy. Take that bracket and everything right out of there. That's terrific. I even forgot I made those brackets. I put this trailer together maybe, it's got to be almost 10 years. And I've had hundreds of loads in it, all kinds of stuff. Bush cords of wood. It's got a really heavy frame on. Yeah, that's perfect. That will work perfectly. I knew it was rotted to death. I knew it was rotted to death. Yeah. Anyway, now you guys can see why we're changing it, because it's rotten. I forgot I had a brand new piece of wood until about an hour ago. Right there. Right? But either way, we'll have a brand new trailer. It should be lighter because, well, it won't be lighter, but because we all know that rotten wood weighs more than fresh wood. Because I didn't have any inch. So I think there's like 4 layers a quarter. I need a new scrap bucket. So if I'm right, and I never said I was, but if I'm right, I should be able to just, I should have put this thing outside, is what I should have. Shouldn't I? Someone could have seen what we were doing. Less mess in here. Okay, so if I'm right, I should be able to just pick this piece of wood right out of here. Like that. Somehow gotta pry that up. Look at it coming. Yep. Ouch. So if I just go like this, how rotten that is. I'll have to clean all, look at all the sand, the dirt. I knew it was rotten. Okay, well, no, it'll come out. Oh, there must be still screws stuck in it. What? Rip the trailer down. There. I'll wait for my light to charge up a little bit. Look, there's another one of them brackets. I must have made a bunch of them brackets, which is good. I might use them again. Yeah, look, there's another one. Well, that was pretty smart of me, wasn't it? Interesting way of doing that. Okay. Now, do I rip the tin? I'm not putting a new piece on the bottom. When I'm done this, the piece of wood will slide in and out anyway. Alright. Come on, boy. We're going to go find a piece of wood. No. Alright, so we got ourselves a sheet of plywood. I've cut it in half. I'm hoping it's going to fit in the trailer. Let's see what happens. Alright everybody, so what I've done now is I put myself my new piece of wood on. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add steel rails to the top and around the front to hold them all in place. I'll show you guys that when I get there. So I'm not too sure how I'm doing the front yet, so I got to wait till I cut one of these so I can slide it in place and look. So I've just doubled these ones up because it'll tell me what size I want to be when I'm done. I'm just looking.
Yep.
Did you see the socket? Watch your face. Here we go. Did you just sneeze and a bolt fell out?
No.
Well, that's what it sounded like to me.
And then it didn't happen.
What do I want to do here to make this work? So, I see how my corner is going to go. This is going to come this way a little bit. I'm glad I didn't mark it, because I would have been wrong. So, to make life simple. Just blast that corner right to her. That would be fine. And then drill a hole and use screws to hold the wood to the door. I think that just makes it look biffy. What do you think? Now I can put this off of here. Put this on here. Yeah, like that. As long as I pry that over there, and tap them on. That looks pretty good, no? I can stick some screw. It's not going to take it a 1/4 inch though, so I might be smarter. That's choice A. You gotta mark, it's all buggered up, so it's easier to cover it, but then I at least have corners that the wood could support itself on. And at least you could put, that's still not gonna reach anyway, is it? Yeah, it might. side. So I'll probably just clamp it the way I had it the first time because I like the way it looks. But this is nicer looking. Alright, that's everybody getting something on that corner. And then here I just gotta clean it and weld that. So if I just do that again, I'll end up with 2 pieces. So we already know how that's gonna go. That looks a lot better, don't it?
It does.
Alright, so this is the end of the trailer. What do you think of this? This should be fine for what I wanted. Didn't cost me nothing except for plywood. Good enough. Alright guys. Alright everybody, so that was the video that I've sent you today. I never ask you guys to do what I do. I only hope I entertain you when I do what I do. Do I do it the same way as everybody else? No, and that's how come you're watching me. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you at the next one.